do question 4. Again, I apologize for the fuzziness of this. So first off, we are going to, oh, there's a light in here. I don't know, maybe it's because I don't know. Anyway, here we go. So we're going to do log of 8. Now, log of 8 really means log base 10. So if we look on our calculator, we'll see right there that it says log. And if you look right above it in blue, it'll say 10 to the x. So that will help you remember that log is base 10. So let's turn our calculator on and do log of 8. Enter. And we want to do it to 2 decimal places, so that's 0.90. All right, now we're going to do ln of 45. So ln is right here, right there. It's kind of chipped off a bit because we use it so much. See, it's worn out. And above it is e to the x. So ln means log base e. So we're going to key in ln of 45 and hit enter. We're going to get 3.81. Now, if you have a brand spanking new 284 TI-84 Plus, you do not need to use the change of base formula. So all you do is go to math, and if you want to do log base 3, you go to the log base button. You hit enter, and then you just put in 3 and 50, and you get 3.56. Now, if you have an older version of this, or you haven't updated your operating system, you can take your TI-84 Plus into the MATLAB, and they will update your operating system to where it has the log base feature. If you have an older TI-83, you will not be able to update the operating system, so you're going to have to use the change of base formula. So I'm just going to basically show you how to do that. So the change of base formula allows you to do log, you just do log of 50 divided by natural log of 3. So you can change the base from log base 3 to natural log by doing this. And I'm doing natural log just because I like natural log. All right, so let's see what happens when you do ln of 50 divided by ln of 3, and you get the same answer. Okay, so if you have the log base button, it's under math, log base, and if you do not have that, then you're going to have to do a change of base formula. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go on to part D. All right, so part D is going from logarithmic to exponential. So I'm just going to write down over here that the exponential form of a logarithm is in the form of x equals a, or I'll do b to the y, and the logarithmic form is y equals log bx, and these two are the same. Now, on your calculator, you don't have stuff solved for x, do you? You have stuff solved for y if you want to graph it. So, but for whatever reason, we like to explain it this way because it's easier for us to work with when we're not familiar with these 3 letters log. All right, so we want to convert 12x equals 200. So let's have a look and see what's where. So first of all, we just want to make sure that everything's in the right slot. So our base is 12. Yep. And then our power is the y slot. So that's going to be x. And then the x value, which goes inside the logarithm, goes there. So note, so we're just making sure and fitting this to this so we can put it in the right slots. Okay. Now we're going to go the other way. So the other way, you can see our base is 5, so that's easy. The x value is inside there, which is m, that goes there. And then 3 goes in the power, that's the y slot. There we go. Good. That is question 4.